Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with clean, damp hair because moisture controls the shape. Towel dry to about 70% so hair is workable but not dripping. Clip the rest back and use a comb to create a centered triangular section from temple to temple. This isolates the bangs. Once done, choose the natural fall, left, center, or right, and set the part line. You want this first step precise because it defines length and symmetry. Small corrections later are harder to blend. You proceed to cutting with patience. Hold the first baseline section between index and middle finger at your desired angle, then point cut vertically into the ends to avoid a blunt line. Work in 1/4 to 1/2 inch microsections across the triangle so every strand follows the same contour. Start longer than your target because wet hair shrinks slightly when dry. Once the fringe is balanced, use thinning shears lightly at the ends to remove bulk and you finish by blow drying on medium heat with a round brush, directing airflow down the hair shaft to smooth and set the shape. Follow the natural growth direction so the bangs sit where you want them. Once dry, apply a light hold product, cream or low hold spray, to tame flyaways without stiffness. If things look uneven, wet the section again and perform tiny vertical snips where needed. Small corrections maintain the texture. If stubborn cowlicks persist, point-style shorter layers behind the line to blend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.